there, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. Behind the camera is my son Michael, and as you can see,
hey
Ginger,
everyone,
that's Ginger right down there sniffing everything. So what I'm gonna do, I got these yesterday at the supermarket. These are pork ribs, and what you see here is just water that I put in a big pan boiling. So I used to work. I worked once at a restaurant in Florida, in a hotel. Well, actually, I was a cook in the kitchen at a hotel. And my chef used to make the ribs this way. And I love it. I used to love those ribs. I never really wrote the recipe down because everybody knew exactly what we had to put in it. So I want to give you guys this recipe because I know you guys are going to love it just like me. So you start with bay leaves, right? You take your meat, you get it out of the package. It's like
what's a bay leaf?
Bay leaves right here. It just gives it like a ground taste to the food, you know.
Oh, an earthy taste?
And it sucks out like that blood taste out.
Oh,
so
okay.
It's really good.
Very nice.
For ribs. Okay. So we're gonna put bay leaves. I put how many leaves? 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 leaves is good. And then we're gonna put a whole bunch of cinnamon sticks.
And what is that for?
Just to give it flavor, Michael, like cinnamon.
So like a sweetness?
Like that sweetness, exactly.
Oh.
Cinnamon. And then you're gonna put cloves, because the cloves gives it a more. You know when you put cloves for Christmas, a lot of people put cloves. They're sweet cloves, and if you can smell it, smell it.
Mmm. Very. It smells kind of like minty.
Like sweet,
minty.
like kind of like a
woody.
Like
yeah,
woody,
like a woody mint.
But it gives it's kind of like sweet too. So what you do is you see all these cloves.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna put them on top of that because we want all that. And when we go to the store again, I think I have more cloves in a bag.
Oh yeah, you're always getting spices.
Yeah, I like my spices. And then we have nutmeg here.
And what's that for?
We're gonna put nutmeg. It just gives it like a fresh flavor. This is like stuff that you put in. I'm gonna tell you that you put in cakes and pies and hot chocolate. People make hot chocolate and put a little bit of cinnamon thing on the top, and it gives it like that fresh smell. So
the aroma, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
I'm not like a really good explainer, more or less. No, Google it. Look. So you're gonna take a little real nutmeg, a ball, and I gotta be careful because I don't wanna.
You wanna dust it up? Dust it up.
I don't wanna like.
So you grate the nutmeg. Is that nutmeg?
Yeah, I have real nutmeg. I have nutmeg up there, but I want to use a ball. Well, this is gonna boil and boil. I'm telling you for a while. We're gonna put brown sugar on that.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna put. Hold on. We're gonna put.
And what kind of salt? Ooh.
Just salt.
Just regular salt, table salt.
A little bit there, a little bit there.
All right.
A little bit more because you gotta have your salt like cake thing.
Hey, why do they call it table salt? Is it because you put it on the table?
Because people are crazy, Michael.
Oh, okay.
Because they call it, you know what I'm saying, a certain way, and then
some pepper.
Some pepper like that.
All right.
Put it in there.
Looking good already. And what else?
Wait, a whole bunch of stuff.
What happened to that brown sugar?
Then this is allspice. So what allspice is all the seasonings. This is cinnamon, anise star.
Very nice.
All the herbs that you use in a kitchen, like for cakes and pies, like all this. Like it has cinnamon, it has.
Cakes, pies, custards, pastries, etc.
No, this is just like all the. If you see it in the back, I don't have my glasses with me. Or you did.
No, you can put it up close.
No, but
put it up close and it'll focus in.
Okay.
Yeah, show the fans and friends. Show fan and friends like that. Leave it right there.
It's ground
Look, I can read it.
cinnamon.
Hold on, I can read it. Beat 1 egg white.
No, but that's a thing. Yeah. No, but this is like everything, like the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the anise star. We haven't put any anise either yet.
But I thought you said that spice has anise already.
Yeah, it has everything, but I think I have a little bit of anise. What does it say there?
Well, put it close.
Anise, right?
Hold on. Leave it there. Let it focus. Whole anise seed.
Yeah. So we're just gonna put a little bit because we want it to taste sweet, like it's you see?
All right.
Like it's a cake, but it's not. And then you put salt.
Far from a cake, guys. Far from a cake.
So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put.
If you're expecting a cake, you're wrong.
I'm also gonna put some red pepper flakes.
And what's that for?
Because to make it spicy.
Heat it up.
And then later we're gonna put sugar in here.
Well, I mean, it's 18 degrees outside. We gotta heat it up.
We're gonna put some brown sugar in there too. Okay?
All right.
And then we're gonna cover it boil
For a couple hours?
We're gonna boil it, yes.
Okay.
1 second. And then I'm gonna put, where's that brown sugar that I had? Here it is. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put like a cup of brown sugar. Okay?
1 cup.
1 cup. And we're gonna do it now. We're gonna cover it with our giant thing that we have.
All
okay?
right.
What do we have? We have a giant what, Mike?
A giant cup full of brown sugar.
It's 1 cup of
Just
brown
one?
sugar. Yeah, just one.
Just one.
And we're gonna throw it in there. It can be any brown sugar you have. If you don't have any brown sugar, people, you can use white sugar. As long as you use
it's sugar.
Exactly, you'll be fine. So don't even stress out about that. So let me put that there. And I'm gonna get a spoon, okay? I'm gonna get a spoon and we're gonna move this. Okay? You're gonna see, Michael, that's gonna boil and boil and boil. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna come back, and before we come back and we close this, we're gonna come back and we're gonna Michael is going to take a little video of this boiling and me turning it over.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna turn these before we go now. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna turn this over, and I'm gonna want you guys to like us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, press the notification number.
Button.
I mean, do all that. You know, and while you're doing that, always, you know, come back. And we're gonna turn these right now, but we're just gonna keep on boiling them like this. Okay, they cannot be high. We're gonna put it like on 7. That's medium high. Let's find the giant lid for that, Michael. Excuse me. And we're gonna put this giant lid. And when we get back, this is gonna be done, because when it's done, we're gonna throw it in the oven. Put it in there like for 5-10 minutes, and that's it. Put some barbecue sauce in, and you're gonna be how delicious it's gonna be. You're gonna love this recipe. So you go on doing your thing for today. Have some hot chocolate and eat something, watch a movie, and I'll see you later. And as you can see, it's cooking with the same oil that is coming out of my pork. It looks beautiful. We'll be back in 15-20 minutes tops. Guys, so thanks for coming back. So we're here again with my ribs.
Oh yeah.
The way that I told you guys that it was taught to me. So as you can see, as everything you see consumes the water, and with all the spices and the sugar that we put in there. Look at that. You can see, can you see that, Michael?
Oh yeah.
That glaze. So now we're gonna take these and we're gonna put them
transferring over to the pan.
Sheet. And I put that on 420.
All right, 420.
Because what I want. Oh, okay. Wow, these look so nice and soft that they look like they're gonna come apart. So what I'm gonna do now, you see that glaze? I can put that same glaze up on that. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put them in the oven, right? And I'm gonna make a little bit of, take a little bit of my barbecue sauce.
Zoom in a little?
Yeah, it's in the middle.
Okay.
And just a little bit of this barbecue sauce, and then you guys are gonna see me
on 400
with a brush on 420 with a brush. This is just regular barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna put this in a plate, and I'm gonna stir it out, put it in a brush, and I'll put it on my ribs. And then when they're nice and crispy, we'll be back and we'll take them out. And I'm gonna eat one in front of you guys, because these are the best ribs ever this way. And when you try them, you're gonna love them too. So I love you guys. I know it's New Year's and you're with your family and everything, but I just wanted to do this with you guys. So see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in like 20 minutes. So this is the barbecue sauce that I told you guys is just regular barbecue sauce, and now this is the broth where my ribs were, where I immersed them with all my spices and my brown sugar. So I'm gonna take a couple of this glaze, and I'm gonna add it up to that regular barbecue sauce, not the cinnamon sticks or the Baileys, now this. And with my fork, I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna mix the regular barbecue sauce with my glaze, see? And then, you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna glaze my ribs. Oh, that looks beautiful. You taste it, you love it. Delicioso. Guys, and thanks for coming back. So we're here. Let's turn this off. And here are the ribs. Oh my God.
We're smoking ribs. Smoking
it
good.
Almost got burned, but they didn't.
Burn where?
No, I thought it just the pan started getting
smoky.
Okay. So we got right on time. That's why I was like, Michael, come on. So I'm telling you guys, this smells so good, and I am not lying to you folks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut one piece because I want you guys to see. Let's lower, Michael, hold on. The fan here, there you go, on off. I'm gonna cut like a little, see? I want you to see how good it cooks when you see, pre-boil the meat with all the seasonings, you see? This is one rib. I'm gonna put this rib here, and I wanted you guys to see, look how beautiful, Michael, that looks, and with that glaze, I'm telling you. So what I want you guys to do is tell me how much you like it. Tell me how it came out.
Recipe in the description below.
I will be eating a whole bunch, so Michael probably is going to make a little video of me eating the ribs and licking my fingers so you guys can see how delicious it is. Right now, no, because I already had breakfast, but I love you guys. I want you guys, if you guys make it, let me know. Let us know and how it came out, if you guys like it or not. And I hope you enjoy, just like you're going to watch me later enjoying these delicious ribs. So Happy New Year again to all of you guys. Love each other. Stay warm. Stay in. Do not drink and drive. Mm.